A rare opportunity to own your own private Catskills retreat in the heart of the highly desirable town of Andes. Encompassing approximately 83 acres of rolling meadows, woods, a beautiful pond, and breathtaking mountain views, this extraordinary property offers the kind of setting that is becoming increasingly difficult to find. Tucked away in a peaceful and secluded location, the property borders over 500 acres of New York City DEP watershed land and is just moments from Murphy Hill State Forest, providing access to protected land for hiking, hunting, nature exploration, and year-round outdoor recreation. Whether you are seeking a private getaway, recreational paradise, future homestead, or family compound, the possibilities here are truly exceptional. A substantial two-story garage already stands on the property with the second floor framed for future living quarters. Significant improvements have already been completed, including a newer roof, windows, and electric service, providing a valuable head start toward creating your dream Catskills escape. An old cottage also remains on the property, offering a glimpse into its history and potential for future site use. The landscape is simply stunning. Open meadows provide expansive views across the surrounding mountains, while wooded sections offer privacy, wildlife habitat, and endless opportunities to explore. Spend your mornings overlooking the pond, your afternoons wandering your own acreage, and your evenings taking in star-filled skies. Properties of this size, setting, and quality rarely come to market in Andes. Surrounded by natural beauty and protected lands, this is more than just a piece of property. It is an opportunity to create a legacy retreat in one of the Catskills' most sought-after destinations.